Welcome everyone. Today we will discuss about baseline in project management. Ever wondered how project managers keep projects on track amidst changing goals, timelines, and budgets? The secret is the baseline. In project management, a baseline is the original, approved version of a project's scope, schedule, and cost. Think of it as your project's roadmap. Key elements of a baseline first. The scope baseline defines what will and won't be delivered. It sets clear boundaries for your project goals. Next, the schedule baseline outlines the planned start and finish dates for each milestone. It ensures everyone stays on track. Finally, the cost baseline represents the estimated financial resources. It helps control expenses and avoid budget overruns. Baselines help track progress, identify deviations, and measure success. They also support better communication among stakeholders and ensure accountability. Project managers compare actual performance against the baseline to spot delays or overruns. If changes occur, a revised baseline ensures clarity. To make the most of baselines, keep them realistic. Get team buy-in during planning. Update baselines when significant changes occur. A well-managed baseline keeps your project on track, ensuring smooth execution and delivering success. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more updates.